When I was just a lad looking for my true vocation, my father said, "Now son, the choice deserves deliberation. Though you could be a doctor or perhaps a financier, my boy, now consider a more challenging career, like statistician." Arr. So, today we are going to talk about how to make box plots. And to do that, we're going to need to make a 5-number summary. Now, the key to making a 5-number summary is to come up with 5 numbers that summarize the data set. If that was too fast, go back on the video and watch it again. So, I have here a set of numbers. My first step will be to organize them in order, like this. If you don't organize the numbers, you're not going to get the right answer. We don't need this set anymore. Our first step now is to find the middle number. 2 and 11, 3 and 8, 5, 6, 4. Aha! Right there is the middle. He has a name. His name be the median. In this case, our median didn't land on a number. It landed between 2 of them. So we are going to average these guys. Our median is going to be 5.5. That is our middle of the 5 numbers. It's called the 5 numbers because there are numbers and there be 5 of them. The first is here, the minimum. The minimum be 2. Here we call this the maximum. It's called that because it is the maximum. We're not all that creative with our names. The maximum being 11. We have 1, 3, and 5 of our 5 different numbers. Now, to find the second and the fourth of the 5 middle numbers, we are going to take this chunk of data, everything from the median over, and I am going to find the median of this half, the median of the median. Fortunately, that's not the name, because that would be really confusing. 5, 3, 5, right there. His name be Q1. Q1 is 5 because it landed right on the 5. And Q1 stands for quartile 1. This is the first quarter, the first fourth. The second quarter, we call it the median instead of Q2. And now we're going to find the third quarter, which lands right here. This be Q3, the third quartile. And that is the value of 8. And then here we have our fourth quarter. So, with this 5-number summary, we have divided up our data into 25% of the data is here, 25% of the data is there, 25% of the data is there, and 25% of the data is there. So these 5 numbers have summarized the entire data set, which is why we call it the anti-tachyon quantum field set. That's not at all what we call it. We call it the 5-number summary because that's how creative we are. Now, one special note. Some calculators, like a TI-83, will worry about the space between the 5 and the 5.5, and they have funny ways of doing these things, and so you may get a different answer if you put these numbers into your calculator and ask it to tell you Q1 and Q3. In this class, we are using the simplest of all the rules. Just take whatever was to the left of the line and find the median of those numbers. So don't use your calculator to do this. Do it by hand and do it simply. Now I have here my 5-number summary. Let me create a number line here. And I am going to put a dot here where the minimum be. That there be the minimum. I am going to put a dot where the maximum be. That there be the maximum. I'm going to draw a line at Q1, which was at 5. There be a line. I'm going to draw a line at the median, which was right in between 5 and 6. Like there. And I'm going to draw a line there at Q3, which is at 8. And if I connect these, it does begin to look like a box with a great big whisker coming out of it. That be a simple box plot. Now, some places will talk about an outlier, and they will talk about, instead of making extend all the way, do asterisks and fences and whatever else. In this class, we are not doing those. We just want a simple box plot so that we can see the data. It does not look straight at all in the video. That'd be terrible. Watch me straighten it all. I just spent 5 minutes trying to fix it. I'm done trying to make it look straight. But there is our box plot. Please notice, the box plot does not divide the number line into 4 equal sections. this section here be very small. It means you had a lot of data right here in this range. And we did 5, 5, 5. Lots of data right in there. And the rest of the data here was all spread out. 8, 8, and 11. So it does not divide up the number line into equal fourths, but the data into equal fourths.